నమస్తే, మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు డాక్టర్ శిల్పి రెడ్డి. మ్యామ్, హౌ you get this idea that I want to help pregnant women by this program?
See, basically, when I was pregnant, I did not have any opportunity to go learn about basics of wellness. Okay, and how much ever you take medication, if you don't have the core aspects of wellness in pregnancy, the exercise, the right food, the stress management techniques, all these things, what is right, what is wrong, what to do, what not to do, how can you achieve a healthy pregnancy? So this made me think. And when I adapted to all these things during my second pregnancy, I had a beautiful outcome. So this is what my life taught me, and this is what I want to teach the rest of my life to all patients, all my patients, to and everybody who wants to listen, that pregnancy is a beautiful journey, and this event harnesses the power of motherhood, and also it helps in developing a better shape to your future. Not only mother's health, it is going to improve baby's health also.
Nowadays, pregnant women are getting thyroid and high BP at the time of pregnancy. So, at that fear, they are not eating healthy foods.
Yes.
So, what would you tell about that?
So lifestyle is very, very important, and we are having lot of issues adapting to healthy lifestyle, and they think it is difficult, but it is not difficult. It is practically possible. You just have to show the way. And there are so many deviations outside. There are fancy restaurants, there are fancy places, there are movies, there are extended hours of watching so many channels and all that. People have stopped recognizing their health is also important. So in Mrs. Mom, we give them that vision towards having a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby by their own ways of modifying lifestyle.
How husbands are important in this program?
Basically, only pregnant woman cannot change anything around her. If the partner comes along with her and supports her with whatever changes that we are expecting to teach them and they can learn, that is a family. As a family, if they can incorporate such changes, definitely it will help them. Not only help them, it will also make their journey happy together and spend some time together.
Okay, ma'am. Now, after C-section, the grandmothers, the old people who are there, they will tell that don't eat this thing, don't eat that thing. The child will get health issues. What you will tell about this?
There are so many myths around post delivery and food that is given to mother. But post delivery, mothers need healthy food, high protein food, and nutritious food. They don't even give them water, which is a basic right of any human being. If you take the right amount of water, only then you will have good milk output. If you take the right amount of protein, only then you will get good quality milk. So restricting food items post delivery has become a major issue, and youngsters are already compromised on their health. They are having obesity issues. They are given more of carbs, more of rice, more of chapatis, more of foods that are causing high sugars. That is again hampering their healing capacity. So it is always important to increase the awareness about food post delivery.
Nowadays, premature deliveries are common. Why they are getting these premature deliveries?
Because there is a higher incidence of obesity in pregnant women now, higher incidence of fertility treatments, higher incidence of twins, higher incidence of higher age mothers who are already diabetic, who are already obese, who are already having diabetes, and the current eating pattern of people have changed so much. They are eating a lot of carbs unnecessarily. They are sitting idle for hours together, not burning calories, and sugars which are high will invite infections. Obviously, they will land into one or the other problems of preterm delivery, either with high BP, high sugar, or infections.
Why they will get only at the time of pregnancy only BP and thyroid?
Because they are increasing their weight, and whatever weight they are already in, it is high, and pregnancy hormones fluctuate thyroid levels and sugar levels in pregnancy. Asians have a higher risk, especially Indians have a higher risk of diabetes in pregnancy. So that is also because of pregnancy that these changes are being seen. And stagnation, no exercise, eating at all times, not sleeping well, already stressed out, sleep pattern disturbances, all these things are even more influencing hormone problems and diabetes.
How should we apply this Mrs. Mom?
Mrs. Mom event is a free event. You can apply by calling onto this number 950-360-6049. This is a number that you need to call and give your name and your phone number. We will register you because this is a free event. Everything else will be processed from that time
What is
onwards.
the timing?
Morning till evening you can call anytime, 9 to 5.
Starting 3-4 months, yeah, ending 9 months only we can.
Yeah,
join.
anybody who is pregnant can attend this event as a couple.